Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Come on! Ah! Voila! Wow, that thing looks sexy. It ain't plastic, folks. So you can't call it Chinesium. It's porcelain god. Take a look at this bad boy. This actually looks pretty cool. We have a little adjustment button here on the side, or knob. Wow, pretty cool. James, this is very unique. This is called a smart water flow detection bag. I've never seen anything like this before. It says, please use this bag to cover the water outlet of the angle valve. Open the angle to the maximum for 15 seconds. If the water output reaches 1.32 gallon or more, a tankless smart toilet can be installed. So I guess if you could fill this 1.3 gallons per minute in less than a minute. Oh, open this. This makes no sense. I get it, but it's saying for the maximum of 15 seconds. So 15 seconds doesn't equal 1.32 gallons, but I guess it... Okay. You know what? We'll figure that out at the install site. But it does look pretty cool. You guys ready? Let's get this thing installed. So you may be wondering, folks, if you don't need power, what powers it? Well, I kind of mentioned that before, but we got a battery compartment. And if you open this up, 2 AA batteries go in here. You just need a Phillips screwdriver, and they give you Changhong batteries. Look at that. I like that little spring on the door right there. So as described, this is the model N30. We have a gallons per flush of 1.22 with a voltage of 6 volts DC, rated power of 2.4 watts, and inlet pressure 35 to 108 PSI. I can't wait to install this. This thing looks beautiful.